Hey all, Ankit Kishore this side from Stepfleet team and welcome back to my channel. So this is not a regular bank nifty analysis video. Okay, so this is video for the I just wanted to show the report of how much I earned in this particular month in terms of percentage, in terms of monetary term also, and how much capital I used to earn that amount, and what was the percentage return, and how much amount I have used in this particular IBUL Housing Finance trade. Okay, I will explain you everything, but for this means IBUL Housing Finance analysis also I will do, and I will start by doing this only, but I will try to keep it as brief as I can. Okay, I won't be going into the deep means what all data I have seen, nothing like that. I will just show you whatever will be visible on the chart, that's it. Okay, so see, let's start with it. तो see, अगर आप यहाँ ध्यान से देखोगे तो आईबुल ने यहाँ से एक अच्छा रेजिस्टेंस लिया था, एंड आफ्टर देन अ गुड सेल ऑफ हैज कम, एंड आफ्टर देन इट इज कंसोलिडेटिंग, राइट. आई हैव टेकन एंट्री समवेयर हियर, एंड व्हाई आई हैव टेकन एंट्री इन 280 straddle and then 250 and 310 strangle. Why I have taken entry in them? Sorry, because if you will see, this is a very good resistance as of now, and this is a very good support as of now, and they both are very far away as far as the straddle coverage is considered. This is very far away, so ठीक है, and this straddle is itself giving me a coverage of around from 320 to 240, right. So wait, 320 is this much and 240 is this much, right. So in the downside I am having a good coverage, and the upside also I am having very good coverage. So see, और यहाँ पे एक बात और, why I am taking means upside में मेरे पास ज़्यादा मतलब स्पेस नहीं छोड़ा मैंने, although space है, but this is just only one resistance. But why I am giving it so much of importance? Because अगर आप यहाँ देखोगे एक अच्छा सेल ऑफ हुआ था, तो अगर आप मार्केट को यहाँ से ब्रेकआउट देना है तो इट वोंट गिव अ ब्रेकआउट लाइक दिस. ओके, कि यहाँ पे इसने ब्रेक दिया और उसके बाद फिर ऊपर गया. नो, अगर ये ऐसा देता है तो द चांसेस वेरी हाई कि ये फेक आउट हो जाएगा और ये कभी भी डाउन साइड में डाउनफॉल होगा, फिर यहाँ कहीं पे आकर ये एक्सपायर कर जाएगा. ओके, सो अगर इसे सही में ब्रेकआउट देना है तो हाउ द ब्रेकआउट शुड बी हैपनिंग, तो ये ऐसे जाना चाहिए, यहाँ पे थोड़ा कंसोलिडेट करके ब्रेकआउट देना चाहिए, या फिर कंसोलिडेट नहीं भी करता है तो यहाँ ब्रेकआउट दे, उसके बाद फिर एक रीटेस्ट करने ये नीचे आएगा जरूर. उसके बाद अगर ये ब्रेकआउट देता है देन ओनली इट विल बी कंसिडर्ड एज अ वेरी गुड ब्रेकआउट. सो आई एम होपिंग फॉर दिस ओनली, एंड दैट इज व्हाई आई हैव टेकन एंट्री लाइक दिस. ऑन द डाउन साइड आई एम हैविंग अ वेरी गुड सपोर्ट हियर, बट माय एसएल माय ब्रेक इवन पॉइंट इज हियर. Okay, so I don't have here I don't have any issue in this, and I will keep on holding this straddle and strangle as far as I can, and let's see how things happens in here, how things plays out here, and I will give you the follow up later on also. But in later on, if I will take any entry in any script, I will definitely make a video in a much elaborated form, not such brief video. Okay, so now let's directly get into the main thing which I have made this video for, means how much return I have made in this particular month. So before that I want to see how much margin I have used for intraday. It is around 24 lakh. Now your question might be क्या ये तो आपने मतलब कि आज 4 से 5 दिन पहले लिया था, तो उसके पहले आपने क्या ये मीन्स आई मस्ट हैव मेड यूज ऑफ 33 लाख, राइट. इट इज नॉट 34 एक्चुअली, इट इज 33 समथिंग. तो वाई, तो यू मस्ट हैव यूज दिस मच अमाउंट. नो, नथिंग लाइक दैट. बिफोर दैट ऑल्सो आई वाज दिस मंथ आई वाज प्लेइंग वेरी कंजर्वेटिव. द रीजन बीइंग, लुक एट दिस चार्ट, दिस इन निफ्टी चार्ट. कैन यू बिलीव इट कि मार्केट कितना मतलब कैसा प्ले कर रहा था. फ्रॉम लो ऑफ 15,500 टू हाई ऑफ 15,900, मीन्स अराउंड 400 पॉइंट, देन अगेन फॉल ऑफ 300 पॉइंट, देन अगेन राइज ऑफ 350 पॉइंट, देन अगेन फॉल लाइक दिस. This zigzag was happening, and this is not in a small zone. 300-400 points of move, and that is why I try to play this one very safe, and because that I just made use of 24 lakh just to keep the RS at place. Okay, I don't want to get stuck or get trapped in these kind of big sell off and big rise. Okay, that is why I try to play very safe this month. Okay, now so this month from 30th June or 29th June I guess, yeah, I made use of just 24 lakh in intraday. After then I keep a blockage for myself. Okay, I won't be using more than anything like that. Okay, wait. So this ledger I am showing you from 30th June to 31st July. Okay, let's see. इस पे मैंने सिर्फ 2 ट्रेड ही लिया है, मैं बता देता हूँ आपको पहले. एक FNO का और MCDX, मतलब कि मैं क्रूड पे ट्रेड करता हूँ, लेकिन क्रूड पे मैं काफ़ी कम ट्रेड करता हूँ. अगर मैं आपको दिखाऊँ लास्ट के कुछ दिनों में मैंने ट्रेड थोड़ा किया था. 1700 प्रॉफिट एंड 2.5 के प्रॉफिट, समथिंग लाइक दैट. देन 1600 लॉस, देन nothing then. Yeah, if you'll see 2400 profit, then 7k profit, then how much 5k profit like this, and this was happening. So this is how I traded in commodity. So I didn't take many big entries in commodity. The maximum profit it went till around 10k only, I guess. वो भी कहीं पे, हाँ ये रहा 9.7k. ओके, तो या दिस इज हाउ इट प्लेज आउट. नाउ शोइंग यू द लेजर. तो अगर आप देखोगे 30 जून को जो मैं लेजर था, इट इज शोइंग अ करंट ओपनिंग बैलेंस ऑफ 31 lakh 13k, राइट. And at the end it is showing a balance of 34 lakh, and in between I haven't put any amount and neither I withdraw any amount from this account. अगर आपको ध्यान से देखोगे तो means if we will calculate directly it, so we will find कि out of 34 lakh, okay, if we will subtract 31 lakh 13k, so we'll find 2,87,000 profit, but this is not the actual profit actually. Out of this we have to subtract 1,40,000. Why? Because this is a credit trade which I have taken in iBull. Out of that I got around 1,40,000 in terms of credit from iBull trade. Okay, so I will subtract 1,40,000 from this. So in total I have made 1,47,000. Okay, and this is exclusive of brokerage, means after charging brokerage and all the charges, this is the net profit, not the gross profit. Okay, so means I have made 1,47,000, and I guess ki I have given a brokerage of around 2k on an average, then 40k this month. So matlab I have made, if I will add 40k to this, I made 1,87,000, complete 1,87,000 this month. And now dividing it with 24 lakh which I used, I have told you yes only. ठीक है, so we will get how much percent? 7.8%. if you will see 7.8% profit we have gotten, right, in this. So now तो ये 7.8% is when we will calculate it on the basis of gross profit. Now what if we will calculate it in terms of actual net profit? Then we will find कि we have made around 6.1%. if you'll see 6.1%, right, 6.12% means rough 6.1%. so in this particular month, even after playing so safe, we have made in absolute term 1,47,000 and in percentage term 6.16% or 15% like that. सो आई होप मतलब मैं इसकी जितने भी मैं टेस्ट लेता हूँ मैं आपको ये सारे कुछ शेयर करता हूँ, ठीक है, कि वेट मैं आपको वो भी दिखाता हूँ. सी तो ये कैसे दिखता है ये, वेट या, तो अगर आप यहाँ देखोगे तो ये मेरा चैनल है. तो इस पर मैं जब भी कुछ ट्रेड लेता हूँ मैं सारा ट्रेड शेयर करता हूँ. मैं प्रॉफिट जो भी हो, जो लॉस होता हूँ, मैं चार्ट वार्ट सब कुछ शेयर करता हूँ. जितना प्रॉफिट जो भी लॉस जिससे भी बनता है मैं वो सब सारा कुछ शेयर करता हूँ, राइट. तो अगर आप देखोगे उसके बाद ये कुछ प्रॉफिट्स हैं एंड लॉसेज आल्सो आई शेयर, एवरीथिंग आई शेयर. ओके या लुक एट इट. तो मतलब ये सिर्फ प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस की बात नहीं है, मैं यहाँ तक कि ट्रेड भी बताता हूँ कि आज मैंने क्या स्ट्रैटेजी बनाया था, क्या स्ट्रैंगल बनाया था, लाइक दैट. सो एवरी डे एंड इन दिस अकाउंट लेट मी शो यू कि इन दिस अकाउंट आई ओनली ट्रेड हेजिंग ट्रेड्स. ओके, लेटर ऑन आई एम गोइंग टू चेंज इट बिकॉज अभी ये पर्सनल अकाउंट पे ट्रेड हो रहा है, बट लेटर ऑन आई एम गोइंग टू हैव इट इन कॉर्पोरेट अकाउंट इन द नेम ऑफ कॉर्पोरेट अकाउंट. ओके, तो वी आर इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ ओपनिंग अ कॉर्पोरेट account in the name of LLP. I know that I hope you know that this Step Fleet is actually a LLP and we are about to open a corporate account in this name, and then we will be taking all the trades in the corporate account itself. Okay, as of now we are taking in this, so that is why I have shown this. So this is just a profit from the hedging trades, not any directional trade, nothing like that. For that we have another account, but why I am not showing that? Because obviously my more focus is on the hedging trade. That is why I am showing this one. So wait. So I hope you learned something from it. I know this profit is not that big if you will consider it in terms of monetary term. Okay, but as far as the return percentage is concerned, I hope I think this is a really good percentage, and we just have to focus on the consistent thing. Okay, means we all know that as an option seller and that too hedger, 3 to 6% return is enough per month. Okay, but you have to be very consistent, and this can only be done if you are having a very if you are having a very good risk management, right? So this is why I am telling ki I know matlab that is why I am telling in terms of percentage this is really a good thing, and I just have to stick to this. And why I made this video, obviously I wanted to show you that whatever, sorry, obviously I wanted to show you the result, the report of on month basis. I will keep on doing this, and as at the same time also considering of doing live recorded live trading videos also on daily basis. But this I will only do in my corporate account. Okay, let's see when the corporate account will open, and there only I will be doing the live trading videos. Okay, as of now I won't be doing anything like that. So why I made this video? Just to show up that whatever analysis, whatever thing I said in the my Telegram channel, do I really make something from them? And if I make what percentage I am making from this of my capital, right? So I consider if you are making 6%, 5%, 4, even 4% per month, because I am taking very conservative approach. So for that thing only I am just keeping it 4% at max, or 5% this month. My net profit percentage is more than 6%. That's actually really good, but 4-5% is more than enough for me, and I just have to focus on it on consistent basis. That's all. So I hope you liked the analysis which I have shared today, and the report and everything, and I hope you got some motivation from it. I'm not telling you to blindly follow whatever analysis, whatever trade I'm giving you on the channel and anywhere. Okay, I just wanted you to focus on the simple things which we are doing. We are just focusing on very simple things, and we are just executing them. The only thing which matters is the risk management, is your psychology, and nothing else. You just have to play as safe as possible. You have to have a very good risk management, money management, everything at place. Then only you can make money. And 4% per month, 5% per month, or consistently is a very good return. So please focus on this. Don't try to get indulged in any big return and any desire like that. Okay, that will only eat your capital. Try to save your capital as much as you can, and just focus on making consistent return. That's all. Thanks a lot for your time, and if you're liking my content, then please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.